Welcome. In front of me I have the IMOU, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Ranger2 indoor smart security camera. And I'll just go over unboxing so you can see what's inside of the box and how the actual camera looks like. So I'll just pop it open. There we go. Quick start guide. There we go. So here we just have a phone that is holding it securely. Some more instructions and stuff. And then at the bottom we get oops. Knock down the Okay, so we get a charger. This looks like a crappy one, and yep, it is a 5-watt charger, so bog standard cheap charger. Now this is, I'm pretty sure, illegal, considering this is a micro USB cable. As far as I remember, everything that needs to be charged or plugged in like this requires a USB Type-C. So this one obviously isn't really following the rules, unless this is a older device that has been released like a couple years back, which at that point it wouldn't fall under that law. And obviously we have a grandfather's law, which would allow it to be sold as long as this isn't a new product. But anyway, let's just pop it open right here. There we go. So we have an Ethernet cable, or cable for keeping it plugged in, charged up. And this is basically a 360 cam, or well, not really a 360, but it, if I'm correct, just kind of swivels around to be a 360 cam. Let's just see if there's anything about that in the box. We have night vision, smart tracking, and yep, 360 pan, 90 tilt. So yeah, it's a 360 cam, though it doesn't have 360 permanently, like an actual 360 camera would. It just swivels around and captures whatever it needs. We have a SD card reader right here, and we have a reset button, and that's about it. There we go. We have rubber feet that seem to hold this pretty well in place, so it won't be sliding easily away. And we also have a mounting for this, which, if I'm correct, just kind of, yep, I would go here and twist into place like so. So there we go. And this is actually a neat little inclusion. So if you're planning to mount it on a wall with this little mount, you just grab this. It's a sticker that it has the holes, as you can see, correctly in place. So you just pull that sticker, place it on your wall, and then drill where it tells you to. And then obviously you can plop this, screw it in, and you're good to go. And you have included screws for it. So there we go. That's basically everything that we have in the box. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.